finally got it wrapped, we're going to start drilling these holes, measuring them out, marking them. We'll pre-drill, then drill with the step bit, then we'll get the rivets in. Okay, this is turning out to be more difficult than we thought. We're having a lot of problems with setting these rivets properly. Pick it up. Hold this over here, right? Since Daniel's not. Set it down. Set it down. These rivets are getting stuck part of the way through, and we're having difficulty setting them. Flip it over, Isaac. Here, pick it up. Let's see what happens. Here, bring it over here. Okay, so if you look in here real close, you should see a rivet head, but it's flush right there. Yeah, it's flush with a 3/8 metal, And so there's more of the rivet coming out like that instead of looking perfect and round like that. Alright, y'all, we've mostly got the top of the crown finished. We've got the rivets in. At the moment, I'm not liking the way that it looks. We're going to have to fix a few things. It was bent. Some of the rivets don't look very pretty. We're going to have to go back, torch them, and hammer them in some more. We're going to have to put a black coating of oil over this, and we're going to have to straighten a few things out. We'll do that by heating this up, getting it over there to the vise and the anvil, and hammering it a little bit. If anything breaks, we're going to weld it and then clean that up too. Alright?